87 lakas Rolando Well. And the last champion playing all days is Moses.
Our starting five for both teams. Let's start with UP. That's Remogat, Ogana, Baila, Stevens, Palangkan. For Zamboanga naman, it's the Moses, Manuel, Diouf, Lingkanay. At itong si Tolomia. Kita mo, Coach, nung pag-introduce sa starting five, yung smile at yung happiness ni Malik Diouf facing up his former team.
Of course, nag-champion yan sa UAAP. Your memories will, let you think about it, yung mga nakaraan. But right now, trabaho muna is now playing for the Zamboanga Valientes. Again, talking about these two teams ninyo.
Yep.
Nanalo nga kanina itong Valientes on our morning game. Identical record sila. So whoever wins will play San Beda on the finals.
By the way, Coach, for the UP Fighting Maroons, no FSA for them, this evening. Wow, Malik Diouf knows a lot sa kanyang opponent dito. Scores against Gani Stevens. Baila to the other side. Ogana. Miss shot. Rebound, Nick DeMoses.
Still a good shot for Ogana, who's very hot yesterday from the three-point line. Pito lang naman.
2-0. Yun lang. Mike Tolomia nadulas. Yun lang, yep. Parang awkward yung paglanding doon ni Mike Tolomia no?
Oh, para
right
yung mga groin niya dyan. Hips, hip flexor. Oh,
kasi Mike Tolomia may iniinda yan sa kanyang hips.
Oh, likuran, no? As you can see here.
Over UP Fighting Maroons.
Sa atong mga palanggang mga Ilonggo ninyo, maayong gabi.
Maupay.
Shot clock, 7 seconds.
7 seconds to shoot for Zamboanga Valientes. Vic Manuel. Kakarap si BJ Pre. Vic Manuel. Miss shot. Gani Stevens.
Vic Manuel surprisingly missing that shot. Matik na yun sa kanya ninyo. Yung mga pabanda ganun sa poste.
Cross-court pass. Ray Mugat misses that 3-point shot. Early foul. That is on Ogana.
A foul against number 8.
Sloppy start for the Fighting Maroons.
Once again, no FSA for the Fighting Maroons. Mike Tolomia against Ogana. Tolomia allows it to Malik Diouf. Diouf against Gani Stevens. Corner. And that is Rudy Lingana picking up where he left off, Coach.
Exactly, talking about the experience. Rudy Lingana is still playing at the high level. The former UE Red Warriors who's from Zamboanga. Oh, what a pass there for Remogat to Ogana. Ogana now missing 2 shots that are open. Alam mo, kayang-kaya naman niya. But again, the presence there of Malik Diouf changes everything.
Yeah, totoo ka dyan, Coach. With that 7-1, legit 7-1 guy, Malik Diouf, who's a former UP Fighting Maroon.
The former champion.
5-0. Zamboanga Valientes with a 5-point lead. Mike Tolomia goes inside in the classic Mike Tolomia. And they score. Ogana, BJ Pre. UP still scoreless, but what a big rebound by Jacob Baila. Jacob Baila to BJ Pre. Mag-isa doon sa ilalim.
Good in and out play there. Good seal by BJ Pre. Good read. Nag-flush itong si Gani Stevens. Easy pocket pass.
Malik Diouf at the post. Goes cross-court to Vic Manuel. Miss shot for Manuel. 7-2. Noy Remogat. Whoa! extending his arms and stepping up his gas.
Yes,
in
that
front
shot
of
there.
Malik Youth.
That shot of Remogat there credit to that core touch screen face screen ni Gani Stevens kay Malik Diouf.
Ito nga, puposte si Vic Manuel.
Big Manuel, ginagamit yung palapatan.
Oh, Vic Manuel again. Poposte. Bustling his way, coach. But may update tayo coming from Maris Victorio for the Fighting Maroons.
Nakausap ko si Russell Ogana, ang player na nakapagbigay ng kumpiyansa sa Fighting Maroons para sa larong ito ngayon. Hindi niya nga daw inaasahan yung pagpasok ng bola. Gusto niya lang daw mag-perform dahil malaki ang tiwala ni coach sa kanya kagabi. Kaya naman in this game, mas double effort at all out ang kanyang gagawin. Lalo na lahat sila ganado maglaro dahil nalipot nila at nakita ang ganda ng Sibugay kanina. Nakapagbuluan Island pa daw ang team kaya naman mas lumakas ang chemistry nila. Coach Paula Nino.
Thank you so much, Maris Victorio. And yun lang, sana all nakapagbuluan Island, no? Itong UP. Kaya pala si Sean Alter, alam mo, pag mga foreigner yung
Namula-mula.
Oo, tayo itim-itim dito. Mike Tolomia misses that jumper. Malik Diouf. What a fake for Diouf.
It will be a long night for the bigs for UP. I'm talking about Gani Stevens and itong si Sean Alter. Mano-y-mano. VJ Pre, second guessing but that time medyo kulang ng kumpiyansa kasi as Vic Manuel letting him shoot that one.
Sinukat ni Vic Manuel and itong si BJ Pre, second guessing. Pero pumasok naman for BJ Pre.
Exactly.
11-10, 1 point lead. Vic Manuel against VJ Pre. Switch. Manuel tries. Gets the bounce for 3.
Vic Manuel, 2 out of 5 from the field so far. Parang sabi niya, ito na yung chance namin makapasok sa finals. Bigay ko na. Mamaya na yung pagod or pagod.
De Moses. That is a foul against Jacob Baila.
Coach RJ Argamino of the Sabanga Valientes asking for unsportsmanlike foul kasi nga parang trying to stop the fast break. Nauna naman talaga yung fighting moves, dalawa.
3-2 no?
Yeah, exactly.
In the transition. And then
Cadiz now pumasok na and Bulanadi for actually parang change 5 yung nangyari ngayon sa Valientes. As Ibonia also now comes back in.
that is a foul against a Fighting Maroon. Ogana yung uupo. Briones and si Idigas ang papasok. Jacob Baila pala. Dalawa na yan for Fighting Maroon. Here comes Sparkly Ibonia against VJ Pre. Ibonia.
Both player used to play for the FEU Tamaraws.
Oo. 1-on-1 for the former Tamaraws. Noy Rimogat, cross-court pass. Briones, that's good for 3.
Good find there by Rimogat to a Chico Briones read. Ganda ng ginawa niya. Slide and sprint to the corner.
Tsaka good addition itong si Chico Briones for UP. A big detention shoot outside Coach Paul.
Yeah, magaling. Maganda yung nag-improve niya. Yung especially yung outside shot.
Which is, meta ngayon no? As Cadiz escapes. That is a shot clock violation. 14-13.
The team asking for a foul there.
3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Sean Alter now. Pumasok na for Gani Stevens.
Behind the back pass. Good catch by Sean Alter. Good reverse for Sean Alter, Coach.
Always reward your big. Pag maganda yung mga reads, always reward there. As Rimogat has been playing unselfish basketball all tournament long.
5 assists so far for the Fighting Maroons, Coach. That is a push against Chico Briones.
It's a foul call. It's 7.
Haba na nilaro ni Rimogat so far on this opening quarter, ha?
Oo, wala ba tayong nakikita sa ating reserve table na
Exactly.
Trainer Maga at RV Puyos for the Fighting Maroons. Miss shot again. Rebound by Noy Remogat. 15 to 14. Double team. John Paul Menti. Stolen away by BJ Pre. Steal by Cadiz. The drive, the shot, and the score by Denver Cadiz. Raton de Coco against Ray Mogat. Chico Briones misses.
Good basketball played so far for both teams. Miscommunication earlier for Rimogat and VJ Pre. Alam mo naman si Cadiz eh. Ang bilis pa.
Ibonia, hand off to Bulanadi. That's good.
A walking bucket there. Alain Bulanadi, former PBA player, now playing for the Zamboanga Valientes.
Press spins. That's nothing but net for VJ Pre.
What a move there. Going to the baseline, spin, fadeaway shot, degree of difficulty, kung swimming to or diving rather, 3.0.
Foul doon. Ito, tignan natin ulit sa ating transition kanina, Coach. Denver Cadiz just reading the situation. Binangga muna. Itong si Noy Remogat. Buti na lang, di tinawagan to si Noy Remogat.
Oh, wala sa posisyon eh.
Posisyon.
It's so nice. We need to say it twice. As Cadiz, yes, maliit ako, pero kaya kong makipagbanggaan. First free throw for Ibonia, short. Again, shout out, no? My former player from Butuan City, Brian Acuna, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
By the way, tomorrow will be our championship game. Kung sino yung mananalo dito sa ating ball game na ito between UP and Zamboanga Valientes will advance with San Beda Red Lions.
Oh, congrats sa San Beda. Red Lions, wow, titay ha. Sarap ng pagkain ngayon dyan.
Oh, wow.
Sigurado.
Yung titay talaga, no? Napakagrabe yung suporta ng municipality of Wow Titay, Coach Paul. 1:33. Bulanadi will use the screen. Didiskarte, Bulanadi. Kinana ng muakali, Coach.
Oh, Eniguez there. Kailangan niya eh. Kasi hindi pwedeng mag-overhelp itong si Sean Alters. Kailangan niyang habulin.
4 turnovers, by the way, for UP. Wow, Miguel Palanca, skyrocket with that putback, Coach.
Mahirap pag hindi mo ito may i-box out si Miguel Palanca. Very tall. Maganda yung reach. The pride of Magallanes, Agusan del Norte.
First one for Miguel Palanca.
So far, UP Fighting Maroons are not picking up whole court. Baka sa second quarter, sigurado to ninyo. Kakamada to.
Rainer Maga, by the way, almost full quarter din yung nilaro ng isang Noy Remogat, no? 21-19.
Oo, kailangan mo siyang parang makina ng diesel, i-warm up.
John Paul Menti with a big shot against Sean Alter. Boston Briones. One-on-one against Santos. Chico. Miss shot. Out of bounds for Menti.
Ball will go back now to the Fighting Maroons. Good activity for Chico Briones following his shot.
Short for Palanca. Agawan ng bola dito. Menti. Goes to Cadiz. Nope, that is a foul. against Cadiz.
Number 88.
Nasaktan si Rainer Maga doon ha.
Oh, pero mga Bisaya yan, ipapagpag lang yan.
Lain kinaon na.
O Rainier Maga, naglalaro dito sa mga panalay sa Davao, throughout Mindanao.
Scores 19-23.
36.6.
Safety first.
36.67.
Briones goes to Maga. Miss shot. Rebound by Alters. Another offensive rebound for UP.
Sean Alters, maganda yung labanan dyan. Mapapalaban ka talaga against Mandy. And alam mo maganda dito ninyo, may i-improve ka talaga, especially from the outside shot. Kasi alam mo may mas athletic pa sa'yo, may mas malaki pa sa ilalim.
Cadiz goes inside. Cadiz outside to Santos. Fires for three. That's out of bounds for Valientes.
Good challenge and good reaction defense for Chico Briones. Anak to ni Luel Briones, the former PBA player din. Naglaro dito for Ateneo de Cebu.
Maga against Cadiz. Double team. Out of bounds. They want some coach's challenge here.
Okay, challenge. Officially challenged by Zamboanga Valientes coach.
And now they're officially
After a thorough review, the challenge of Zamboanga Valientes is successful.
So it was a successful challenge, coach, for Zamboanga Valientes right after John Paul Mendy tapped that ball, tumama pa sa paa itong si Rainier Maga.
yeah, good challenge but yun na nga maaga pa. A second now. Bolanadi. Good defense there for Iniguez as Zamboanga is leading 2 points. 23-21 magbabalik tayo. And again, whoever wins will face San Beda on our main game tomorrow for the 4th.
For the Zamboanga Valientes, and by the way, sa house rules natin, each team merong isang coach's challenge and then either successful or not, isang coach's challenge lang.
Good point there. Yun na nga, no? Medyo maaga lang ninyo, no? Good seal there for Malangkas. Chico Briones, nagkape pa sa ere. Pwede pang matulog.
3 days and 2 nights no?
Pwede bang group tour?
Oh, Cadiz against Puyos. Santos, binalik kay Denver Cadiz. Goes to Ibonia with a fake. And that is a foul.
Ibonia there using his experience. A good move plus a fake. Bentang-benta.
Manoy, no?
Gimanoy.
First on Palaka.
That is the first personal foul on Palanca now as Ibonia. That is his second miss free throw. Again, mayong gabi, kaninyong tanan, and sa lahat ng nanonood here live, salamat kayo for welcoming us. Lamias sa mga pagkaon na tilawan na nako tanan manok ba?
Ngaluto. Pero mamaya, cater tayo. Buffet tayo sa office ni Engineer.
Oh, tapos uwi tayo maaga kasi bukas finals.
Tsaka itong cupcake na kinakain mo, ang sarap.
Oo, sarap
Brought to
talaga.
us by Ma'am Tata.
Yes, thank you, Ma'am Tata.
23 all.
8 minutes and 54.
Here is
Setting up the play.
Ton Di Coco. Ibonia po poste against Palanca. Bulanadi gets the floater off the glass is good for Alain Bulanadi. Pinulot pa yung barya. Sayang pang ice water din.
Oh, as you can see on this replay, it's so nice. We need to see it twice as pabandang tira. Good sell there for Bolanadi.
Alain Bulanadi, imagine no, kung ganitong kaidaran niya yung UP dati when he played for NCAA. Gaano ka-talented yung isang Alain Bulanadi.
Exactly.
By the way, his teammate in MPBL for Pangasinan Heatwaves, itong si Nick Demosis, pumasok na dito. Oh, I remember, magkakampi ba ito? Nick Demosis tsaka si Alain Bulanadi. In-interview
Pangasinan yun, no? Sa Pangasinan Waves.
Pangasinan. In-interview kasi si Demosis. Itong si ang girlfriend ni Bulanadi. Kung kumusta daw, safety naman yung sagot.
Chismis is my business.
Totoo ka dyan, Coach Paul. 26-23. May shot for Ogana. Nope, there's no call right there. Puyos open. That's good for 3. Tie game.
Puyos second-guessing himself. Open, itira mo. You have that green light there for Coach Goldwyn Monteverde of the Fighting Maroons.
Zamboanga Valientes, lamang sila kanina. Tabla na, pero may report tayo. Coming from Sarah Thirchman. Sarah?
Coach Paul Nino from Alain Bulanadi of Zamboanga Valientes, sabi niya galing sila sa double game kaya ang mindset nila today is to win and play as one. Adjustment ang kailangan at bumuga at bigyan ng gigil ang laro for tonight. Back to you, Coach Paul Nino.
Thank you so much. Nakakalaspag din to, ha? Back to back. Yung ball game to sa Zamboanga Valientes, Coach Paul.
Oo. Dito matetest yung character. But again, these are all almost professional player for the Zamboanga Valientes. Yung half of their player naman is mga local. That's talaga the mission and vision of the team owner and counselor of Zamboanga Valientes, Junie Navarro. One out of 2.
18 seconds to shoot. Puyos against Cadiz. Goes outside. Miguel Palanca. The shot. Former teammate Baila and si Malik Diouf.
Of course, mahal yan. Ni Malik Diouf pag UP, especially si Coach Gold pa.
May pakis pa doon si Malik Diouf pa. Ito, tignan natin.
Oo. Nasaan yung replay natin? Tingnan natin dito.
VJ Pre, by the way, checks back.
Oo.
At the center. Ooh! Denied by Bulanadi. Baila, Euro step. Ogana. Oh! Another big shot.
After 4 tries, Nino, Ogana now making his first field goal. Still a good ball game we have here. A seesaw battle for both teams. Ganun ka ganda. Ganun ka importante ang laro.
As Vic Manuel fires for free.
When in doubt, shoot. Kanina stepping yun kay Ogana. But that time, Vic Manuel, the muscle man, making it sure na tres talaga yun.
Baila wants to join Ogana here. The shot, by the way, that was a long three-pointer pala. Bulanadi misses. As you know, Puyos. Binitbit. At ipinasok.
Kamikaze move. No fear drive there for Puyos. Alam mo ninyo, nandun si Malik Diouf ha.
30 all. Cadiz goes in and out. Cadiz fakes. That's a foul on RB Puyos.
Ang bilis din kasi ni Cadiz eh. Very deceptive move there for Cadiz. Kita mo yung peke. Tolomio now after a long rest and Linganay will go back for Valientes and Rimogat after almost playing the whole quarter for UP Fighting Maroons. Comes back in. Again, would like to thank all our sponsors, Budge Brotel Sweets, Amlan Purified Water, bottled at the source, quality first. Champion Commercial, of course, all the board members of Zamboanga Sibugay. Wow, so far so good. one of the most exciting festivities we have here. This is the 4th year at tamang-tama lang ninyo, no? Sa 25th silver anniversary pa ng araw ng Zamboanga Sibugay.
Oo, at saka marami pang upcoming programs, no? Kanina nga sa labas, merong Mr. Zamboanga Sibugay. Ang iniintay mo, Coach, yung Miss Zamboanga Sibugay.
Hindi ko hinihintay yan. Baka si Coach Kim o baka ikaw. Kasi alam mo. Oh, good pass! As Cadiz, maganda yung look ni Diouf doon. Hanap na hanap.
BJ Pre. That's inside, that's a foul. Oh,
Kitang-kita ni Pre as Malik Diouf wanted to steal that ball. Naiwan niya. As you can take a look at this replay, it's so nice. We need to say it twice. Cadiz to Diouf.
o sigurado na yung shot Denver Cadiz. Mas sigurado kung ibibigay niya kay Malik Diouf.
Oo. Sure pass layup.
Oo. First one for VJ Pre.
Again, shout out
33-31.
to the Pagadian City Council member.
Oo nga pala. Nandito sa ating tabi si Honorable Councilor Wailaing Guwapo sa Pagadian. Boss Lansco. Honorable Boss Lansco.
Lamig Imbus Coffee.
Oh, I miss Coach Paul. I miss.
Oh, matik yan.
10 seconds to shoot. Vic Manuel, andito pa rin si Malik Diouf with the recovery.
Hindi pwede yung ginawa ni Palangka doon. Hindi mo pwedeng i-box out itong Malik Diouf. Yes, matangkad ka, but mas matangkad to itong si Malik Diouf.
Jacob Baila with a missed shot, pero kita mo naman, walang reaksyon na sayang. Balik ka agad. Sprint back to create the defense for UP. Vic Manuel with a missed shot. Baila. Noy Rimogat all day. Missed shot. The save. Stolen away by Ogana. Ogana at the corner. Fires for three. Missed shot again. Noy Rimogat. Now look pass. Noy at the corner. Big shot for Rimogat.
I like how that players of UP did that on that second attempt. They're really moving the ball and they're rewarding Rimogat kasi nga they're playing unselfish play. As Rimogat with this three here, if you could look at this replay, so nice. We need to say it twice. We have a timeout. Ceasefire.
Live pa rin po tayo dito sa Zamboanga Sibugay para sa ating games. So our fourth governor, Dr. Ann K. Hofer. Open Invitational Basketball Tournament. This is our last game of the elimination round, Coach Paul. Itong UP Fighting Marusig Zamboanga Valientes. Once again, what's at stake here? Kung sino yung mananalo will advance and fight with San Beda Red Lions sa ating finals. By the way, daghan kayong salamat to Governor Dr. Ann K. Hofer, Vice Governor Boss Rick Oligario, and of course, to the board members of Zamboanga Sibugay, especially to Dr. Ralph De Los Santos and to Honorable Pava.
Good read there for a rim running Diouf. Good ball movement there for UP. VJ Pre, kitang-kita niya, trusting his teammates, itong Miguel Palanca with that short jumper.
10 points for Malik Diouf, by the way. Rimogat with the catch. Chance for UP now to snatch back the lead. VJ Pre all day. Missed shot. Rebound by the Termite. Rudy Linganay.
That's a good shot there for VJ Pre. Open. Kailangan itira.
Oo, di ba? You know, VJ Pre yung pangalan mo eh.
Oo. Rookie of the year yan.
Malik
Wala-
Diouf, 12 points now, coach.
Yeah, walang nag-box out eh.
Remogat, babawi. Good top by Tolomia. Bato Ugana, sayang. Jacob Baila.
2-3 zone now. Zone for Valientes, Baila. Dancing.
The shot for Baila. Good top by Palangka. Lot of tops for Palangka na, ha? And out of bounds for Vic Manuel. Babalik na dito. Ito si Steven Gani. Ugana also will sit down. Papasok yung magic bunot the other day. Itong si Dima Kulangan.
Yeah, what a surprise for me. Magaling pala to. Another miss now for Remogat. So far, the outside shots of Remogat are not falling for the Fighting Maroons.
39-36. Tolomia. Use the screen. That is a offensive foul on Malik Diouf. Pinasok parang kangaroo eh, no? Pinasok eh, no? Walang nagawa doon.
Still a 3-point lead there for Valientes. Walang reklamo galing for Diouf. So parang sabi niya, okay ref, guilty as charged.
You caught me eh, no? Sabi ni Malik Diouf. Noy Remogat. Cross corner. Jacob Baila. Miss. Here comes Rudy Liganay. Malik Diouf. Layup miss. What a defense by Dima Kulangan right there.
Exactly, good read.
Last touch pa doon si Jacob Baila. I love the run for both teams, coach.
I understand why Coach Gold Monteverde is upset on that play. Hindi nakita si Baila, nakauna itong Remogat. That had should been a 3 against.
So 23 seconds time remaining. Sa ating second quarter. Noy Remogat and the rest of UP Fighting Maroons want some statement here because this is their first time here, coach, sa ating Governor Ann K. Hofer Open Invitational Basketball Tournament. 39-36. Vic Manuel against BJ Pre. Wow. Gulang na gulang.
Vic Manuel taking to school itong VJ Pre. Piso-piso. Setting up in the middle. Spin. Iwan.
Baila. Goes to Remogat. Fires for 3. Big shot for Noy Remogat.
That time, 1-2-3 for Ray Remogat, making his first three-pointer of the game.
And you mentioned the 3-point shot, coach, for UP. Panglima na yan. Tolomia against Dima Kulangan. Malik Diouf, this is not strange. But yun, pumasok, narinig tayo ni Malik Diouf.
That's not his range, pero kumpiyansa kasi eh. Well, ganito Malik Diouf, pinapatira talaga siya ni Gani Stevens earlier.
Magkakilala yan dalawang yan because they're former teammates. Nice pass to the corner to VJ Pre. That's good for VJ Pre. Bawi din kagad.
3 puntos per 3 puntos.
44-42. Tolomia controlling it. Here goes the Stoggard. Tolomia goes inside. Out of bounds for UP.
Right, 47.4, shot clock 12.
12 seconds to shoot.
47.4.
Baseline inbound for Valientes. Tinanggap ni Vic Manuel. Fires for 3. Rattle sound. Jacob Baila. Nakabanti kaagad dito itong UP.
Tingnan natin if the Fighting Bros will shoot 2 for 1. Indeed, they did. As Jacob Baila going downhill, sabi niya, kaya ko to si Dimoses.
That's a quick 2 for Jacob Baila.
Yeah,
for
nag 2
UP.
for 1. Nag 2 for 1 talaga sila.
Linganay against Noy Rimogat. Fires, nope. Gives it to Malik Diouf. Di makulangan, runs. Baila, that's a foul on Rudy Linganay.
Although that was a 4 versus 1 fast break. No easy basket for Rudy Lingana. Yun yung mga smart na mga point guard ninyo na ang hirap ituro.
But then, pangalawang beses na yung ginawa ni Rudy Lingana and Malik Diouf coach ball, but this time scouted. Good read by UP.
Oo, this time nagtag na talaga yung opposite sa bola. Last shot now for Valientes. Second deadlock of our game. 44 all.
10 seconds.
5 seconds. Colombia, second ball.
Grabe yung Mike Tolomia eh. Vintage Mike. And that's the end of our second quarter. 2-point lead for Zamboanga Valientes. Back to our ball game. Third quarter action po tayo. 2-point lead by Zamboanga Valientes at coach. Any numbers or thought on the first half?
For sure, the Fighting Maroons ninyo will pick up full court. Kailangan nila tong sipagan sa depensa kasi nga magagaling to eh. Itong Valientes. You have Vic Manuel, Liganay, Tolomia, Malik Diouf, and Di Moses. VJ Pre now. Early foul. Siguro kailangan ni VJ Pre dito. Pag si Vic Manuel nagposte, kailangan na siguro ninyo i-front.
Di na patanggapin eh, no?
Oo.
Zamboanga Valientes ball position. Tolomia steps back. My fake. Wow. Mike Tolomia.
As you can see the experience there. The former UAAP champ for FEU Tamaraws.
Baila. Stolen away. Vic Manuel. One-on-one against VJ Pre. That's a basket count.
The muscle man. Showcasing that I'm still here. I can still play with the young guns. As you can see on this replay earlier, chance of an end one play now for Vic Manuel, the former PBA player, the former PSBA, Philippine Schools for Business Administration sa Manila, completing that 3-point play.
9 minutes sa ating oras.
Ogana with beautiful basket.
Good help there on the defense. And of course, yung attempt ni Palangka, sayang lang.
Malik Diouf. Another fake for Malik. As Vic Manuel, coach, 4 straight points para sa kanya.
Make it 5, Nino, as he completed earlier that end one play. Another end one now for Vic Manuel. This is now the biggest lead so far for Zamboanga Valientes. Linganay, Tolomia, and Di Moses talking on how will they play that pick and roll movement.
53-44. 8 and change. Gani Stevens. Was foul right there.
13 Colombia.
Surprisingly, no Rainer Maga sa bench nitong UP. Ayun na, sa likod lang pala.
From the outside, Ogana.
Ogana.
Looking
Spins. Wow, iniwan. Ito si Malik Diouf after that spin.
What a move there, Ogana. Again, that could start the comeback now for the Fighting Maroons. They just need to stop here.
8 minutes.
Rudy Linganay. Gives it to Malik Diouf. Kita mo yun, coach. Catch and shoot lang. No deep eh, no?
Oh,
Di na isinausaw.
Gani Stevens should play better on the positioning underneath.
Third on 7. Warning for penalty.
Oo. UP Fighting Maroons.
Dagat kayong guwapa dito.
14 fouls na para sa kanila.
Masipan, nag-focus doon lang. Masipan. 7-8.
Ito, kaya pala madaming gwapa. Dito pala yung mga candidates natin na inaabangan ni Coach Kim. Yung mga kandidata ng Miss Zamboanga Sibugay. 54-46.
Foul blocking.
Blocking foul there for Vic Manuel trying to stop that attack of Ray Remogat.
7-50. Noy Remogat. Will use the screen of Gani Stevens. Fires, misses. Rebound diretso naman kay Jacob Baela. Ogana gets the 2-point shot. At kaya naman, pakinggan natin itong update ni Maris Victorio.
Update on Rainer Maga, nabangga ang kanyang right shoulder nung first half but it's nothing serious. Although based from his performance during the first half, napagsabihan siya ni Coach Gold to do better. I saw him taking his moment to compose himself. That's why I haven't had the chance to talk to him. But nakausap ko si James Payosing. Sabi ni Pai, ganun daw talaga si Coach Gold. Tough love ang binibigay sa kanila dahil para naman ito sa ikabubuti nila. The second half, they just want to be mindful of dictating their actions. Hindi lang responding but also dictating to it. Coach Paul Nino.
Thank you so much, Maris. But that's the 8th turnover itong UP Fighting Maroons coach. And balikan natin yung kanyang report. Top love for Coach Gold.
Of course, yung mga TL, importante yan. Tough love for you to learn, for you to understand na yung mga coaches, alam mo, wala naman silang iniisip bad for you. It's always been the good of for you and for the benefit of the team.
Good stop by the Fighting Maroons. Baila. Remogat. That's a foul. That's on Nick DeMoses. Second personal foul. 13 foul na for Zamboanga Valientes. Baila. 5 seconds to shoot. Remogat with a floater.
This time, Remogat deciding to attack the basket ninyo kasi nga kanina pa hindi pumapasok yung outside shot na. And now, the UP Fighting Maroons, yun yung sinasabi ko ninyo, no? Nasaan na yung body language with the 2-3 zone they're showing now. They need really to have that, alam mo, fast-paced game. Doon
Boss.
yung advantage nila.
Layo ng putback. Itong si Malik Diouf, pero mas malayo yung binitaw ng one-hander. Vic Manuel. Top. Dahil Malik Diouf. Barkley Bonya and Denver Cadiz checks in.
And we have a timeout here for the UP Fighting Maroons. Hindi gusto ang nangyari dito for Coach Goldwin Monteverde. No one is boxing out. Especially if you can take a look at this replay, walang nakatingin eh. Si Baila sa ring agad.
Against 15-58, Zamboanga Valientes by 8. Valientes over UP Fighting Maroons.
Five minutes and 51. The bench of Zamboanga Valientes coach chanting defenses. Oh, sorry, miss for Gani Stevens.
Good play out of the timeout there for Coach Goldwyn Monteverde.
58 to 50. Cadiz. Totolomia. Too strong. Ogana has it. Ogana tries to drive, attacking the taller Malik Duke. UP Fighting Maroons down by 8 points here. Di Makulangan checks back for Ogana. Russell Ogana medyo tahimik dito ngayon. Mike Tolomia up by 8 points. Tolomia, that is a traveling violation.
Clearly a traveling violation there. Good time. This time, good defense shown for the UP Fighting Maroons on that zone defense.
Lane Bulanadi for Tolomia, and itong si Iniguez naman papasok din. That is for Palangka. Iniguez to Stevens. Di Makulangan. Remogat fires for 3. Short one. Rebound Baila. Jacob has it. Spins. Pinoy step. Di Makulangan all day. Oh, what a big rebound by Gani Stevens.
That time, Gani Stevens, good positioning against a smaller Barkley Ibonia. Took a look at that replay. Clearly a foul there. Good stop by Coach RJ Argamino. Quick rest now for Malik Diouf.
That rebound of Gani Stevens, coach, yan yung pang 11 offensive rebound for the Fighting Maroons.
Exactly, and talking about Malik Diouf, who was sub off, 17 points na siya.
Mintis nga lang for Gani Stevens at that line. One out of 2. 15 to shoot. Best shot for Cadiz. Noy Remogat. 58 to 51. Di Makulangan will dance against Bulanadi. That is an offensive foul. Another offensive foul for the Fighting Maroons.
Good defense shown there for Bulanadi. Beating Di Makulangan on that baseline attack. Good sell din.
By Bulanadi, no? But ngayon, Jacob Baila, uupo muna. Papasok natin itong si Chico Briones. And for Zamboanga Valientes naman, Linganay for Denver Cadiz. Turnover kaagad para kay Rudy Linganay.
Rudy Linganay, miscommunication for Santos. I understand anong yung ibig sabihin ni Linganay. Pumunta na sa corner agad itong Santos eh. Yung bola nasa gitna. Kailangan you're around sa wing para mapasa. May angle ba?
Stevens to Briones. Chico against Santos. Nice find. That is a foul on Mendy. So it's gonna be 2 free throws.
2 free throws. Both team are now on the penalty.
2 shots na. Malik Diouf with some words with John Paul Mendy. Short one for Steven.
Second goal.
Second one.
Basket.
Gani Stevens will sit down. Sean Alter. Pasok ulit. Oh, maganda talaga yung minutes ni Sean Alter dito no, for UP, coach.
Always been a quality player for Coach Goldwyn Mortiverde. Alam mo yung mga high IQ big man. Yes, he may not that be athletic. Bulanadi.
May shot. Mendy. Kick out. 10 seconds to shoot. Barkley Bonia. Bulanadi.
Sayang. That's a good shot there for Alain Bulanadi. Di kamakulangan. Bastos yun.
You know, yung utak tsaka puso ng isang Dimakulangan, pwede mo nang gawing sisig eh, no?
Oo, hindi siya nakulangan doon.
Oo.
Sarap
Grabe.
ng atake.
Yung kombinasyon na yan for Dimakulangan, the heart and the IQ. That's another steal. Apat na lang ito. Noy Rimogat. Extra feed. Rimogat libre all day. Noy! May shot. But andito kay Miguel Iniguez. One-on-one. Noy Rimogat spins. Scans the floor. Rimogat drops it. Alter with the left hand.
What a pass there, Rimogat. Using his left. That's what I call about Alter Nino.
Yung nagkuha nun, yung nag-shot nun. Shot na yun. Wala. Si Junjun.
Oh, pinakamatangkad yan sa production
Oo.
natin.
Natangkad.
4'6". 220 pounds.
Anong about yan?
Good timeout for Coach Argamino. Trying to stop the momentum. Bulanadi, papandang tira. Wala pa rin.
Chance now to tie or take the lead. Dimakulangan, pinagpag ang depensa. Mintes, out of bounds. Bola para sa Fighting Maroons. Ano? Para sa Zamboanga.
Rimogat did not see earlier itong si Iniguez. Yun yung gusto sana ni Coach Goldwyn eh. Early release pass, even though still a good shot there for Dimakulangan.
1:55. Lingane will use the screen. They go to the corner. Bulanadi. Miss shot. UP down by 2. Alter will go up with the screen. No switch. Hard show dun. Imogat. Extra feed. Deflected.
Ball will
Ay,
stay
Mendy.
now for the Fighting Maroons. Hinahanap talaga ninyo ni Rimogat itong mga bigs nila, especially pag maganda yung basa, pag rim run, pag loop sa ilalim.
Inbound dito by Rimogat. Wow! Alters, but recovered by John Paul Menti.
Menti, grabe yung Mandy. Grabe yung athleticism niya, Ninyo. Akala ko pasok na yun, na-blanka pa niya.
Lingana fires. Mintes. Rebound by Noy Rimogat. Ray Rimogat. Briones open. Misses. That is a foul against Dimakulangan.
Bad foul there. Both teams are now on the penalty. Good shot for Chico Briones. Kailangan niyang itira yun. That was a wide open corner 3.
Libreng-libre, no?
Oo. Kulang na lang ibigay eh.
At the line right now, Nick DeMoses.
Still strong there for DeMoses.
Second and last, Temporary Ready.
Diouf now bumalik na for Valientes with 1 minute left here on our third quarter.
Second and last, Johnson.
That time, DeMoses making it sure 1 out of 2. Puyos now. Bumalik na for Rimogat.
Under a minute sa ating third quarter. Ogana tries to drive, high arc shot, wala. Alter saves it. Linganay, the pass goes to the wrong guy. 40 seconds, Puyos, the handoff. 3-point shot, Mintes. Oh, the pass is too low, Coach Paul. Di na mayuko doon ni Malik Diouf.
Exactly. High risk, high reward there for Ibonia. If nakuha yun ni Malik Diouf,
Matik.
that will be a slamma-jamma
Kaya
there.
kanina, no?
Oo.
30 seconds for the third quarter. 56-59. Shot clock at 15.
25 seconds.
RV Puyos will dance with the veteran Rudy Linganay. Linganay rejecting that screen. Ito si Alter. Oh, go Jim Brown again by Sean Alters.
What a pass there for Puyos. Very patient on that rim run of Alters. Yung sinasabi ko sa iyo, Nino, eh. Si Sean Alter talaga mautak, no? A high IQ kind of a player.
Tolomia fires. Tolomia misses. Seconds left. And that's the end. A lead for the Valientes. Nino Bandit alongside Coach Paul Oben.
That was quick. Quick break. Again, basketball na tayo ulit. 59-58, a 1-point lead now for Zamboanga Valientes as Ogana, when in doubt, shoot.
Timely shots for Uganda, no? Opening the quarter for them. Big three-pointer kagad.
And this is their first lead so far, Nino, this second half.
Oo, that's his first time na nilang makalamang dito. The 2-point lead, Mike Tolomia. With a strong pass, but nice catch by Linganay. Here comes Vic Manuel, miss. Rebound secured by the Fighting Maroons. It's Puyos now. Goes to the other side. Miguel Eniguez misses.
It should have been a one more pass there as Di Maculangan open on that wing.
Demoses. Didiskarte dito itong Zamboanga Valientes. Sinanap si Tolomia. Binigyan naman kay Linganay. Tolomia. So, dumiskarte. 4 seconds to shoot. Are they aware? Demoses. Ito, 24-second shot clock violation.
Another
for
good,
Sivas.
another good defense now. 2 straight defense for UP Fighting Maroons. For sure, that is the reminder of Coach Goldwyn Monteverde that we want to play in the finals bukas. And it's not all about the money, Nino. It's always been playing, trying to play on excellence.
The rebound goes to the hands of Puyos. Hinanap talaga si Ugana with a fake. Di Maculangan fires. Misses. And that is a foul on
That's a
RB
bad
Puyos.
shot there for Di Maculangan. It should have been a ball swing. One more plus paint touches.
Mahaba pa yung shot clock na
Oh, mahirap kasi
Oh.
pag paint touches to one more, mahirap yan, makakabalik yung depensa. It should have been paint touches to one more, to another, paint touches, and a one more.
Wow, nice inside, Coach Paul. 61-59. Manuel wants it. That's a steal for UP again. Di Maculangan overcooks that drive.
Alter thought that it's his pass, but it was through Di Maculangan.
Linganay. Totolomia. Vic Manuel. 5 to shoot. That's a turnover. A substitution here. Jacob Baila checks in for Di Maculangan. At ngayon naman, may report tayo coming from Sarah Turchman.
Yes, Coach Paul and Nino from Zamboanga Valientes head coach RJ Agamino said most of their points come in transitions and play at their own pace. If they want to win, all out dapat ang effort at masyadong mabait sa previous quarters, kaya dapat be more physical and be wise with the fouls. Also, be disciplined on defense. Pag nagawa lahat ng to, malaki ang chance na makapag back-to-back champions dito sa ligang to. Back to you, Coach Paula at Nino.
Thank you so much, Shara. At yun nga, yung kanilang kailangan dito, no? To get what they want, yung back-to-back champions.
Of course, but they need to win this first to play bukas for the finals against the San Beda Red Lions. Wow, titay.
Malik Diouf. Tulinganay. Tolomia didiskarte. Hinanap si Vic Manuel. Fake. 2 seconds left. Short and out of bounds for the Fighting Maroons.
The shots of Zamboanga Valientes are still there pero hindi lang talaga pumapasok. They're really moving the ball from side to side. Still,
7 minutes and 4.
still anybody's ball game, Nino. Gani Stevens comes back now for Sean Alter.
Malik Diouf. Alain Bulanadi also nagbabalik. Bulanadi Mintes. Rebound. Andito kay Iniguez.
Let's see what will Mogat do so far, Nino, or ginagawa na. Almost all shots are from the outside.
Noy Rimogat. High arc shot. Mintes. And out of bounds for Gani Stevens.
I think it's time for VJ Pre to come back in now for the Fighting Maroons. Just to add post threat for Coach Goldwyn Monteverde.
61-59. Malik Diouf. Back to Cadiz. 15 to shoot. Cadiz extra step. What a layup to tie the game.
Good attack there for Cadiz. Good substitution for Coach RJ Argamino for the Valientes. Napagod na rin itong si Idol Rudy Linganay kanina.
Noy Rimogat. Didiskarte for UP. Out of bounds. For Noy Rimogat, what a steal. And the defense, yung topic sa likod nitong si Denver Cadiz.
Cadiz now giving new energy for the Fighting Maroons. Parang rinig tayo ni Coach Goldwyn Monteverde.
This is their starting five, coach, for the Escolar ng Bayan. Rimogat, itong si Baila, Ogana, and Gani Stevens, and also VJ Pre. Corner. They go for that drive, bounce, nope, secured by VJ Pre. Baila. VJ Pre open, rattles out, rebound Bulanadi.
Still a good shot there for VJ Pre even though he's very fresh from the bench. Pwede pa sigurong i-move the ball. And may ball action naman kayo kay Rimogat doon.
Pass
Oh,
inside.
good rim
Malik
run.
Diouf.
Cadiz now doing wonders for Valientes.
Lead change, Coach Paul, 63-61. Ogana, Pre. That's a foul inside the paint against Gani Stevens.
Medyo na late yung tag doon at help defense nitong si Bulanadi at saka si Tolomia. 2 free throws now for Gani Stevens who earlier missed 2 free throws.
Coach Gold Monteverde with the words with Jacob Baila. First free throw for Gani Stevens.
This is now crunch time for both teams.
Tie game again. 63 apiece.
Crucial free throw there for Gani Stevens. 2 out of 2. Still 1-2-2 zone shown here for the Fighting Maroons.
Bulanadi. Goes to Vic Manuel. Shot clock at 8. Now to go inside. Malik Diouf. 65-63.
I think Valientes already solved that zone. Baka kailangan na bumalik sa man-to-man for the Fighting Maroons.
Ogana fires. Short. The rebound by Mike Tolomia.
65-63. Dalawang points sa Puro Valientes.
Bulanadi didiskarte.
Bulanadi, tumatulog ni Coco.
Now, they give this one to Raton de Coco.
Raton ni Coco. Tubulan.
Bulanadi, Tolomia, Vic Manuel, deflected. That is a foul against Gani Stevens.
Oh, sayang. Good defense on there for VJ Pre.
Steven White.
14 seconds on the shot clock for the Valientes. Up by 2 points. Bulanadi fires. Short one. Baila with a big rebound. Rimogat tatakbo. Noy Rimogat gives to Gani Stevens.
It's so hard to read Rimogat. You don't know if titira niya ba, ipapasa niya ba.
Trente,
Always very deceptive every time he dives on the shaded area.
3:55. Wala na pong 4 na minuto dito. What's at stake? Kung sino yung makakalaban ng San Beda sa finals bukas. Ogana. That's a foul from behind.
Gusto i-challenge agad na naman ni Coach RJ. Yung sabi ko sa'yo kanina, kung ngayon pa niya ginamit, pwede.
Pero walang coaches challenge sa foul.
Hindi, naubos yun na rin. Naubos yun na rin.
That's a warning for improper bench decorum for the Zamboanga Valientes. Rimogat against Cadiz. One-on-one. The screen. Rimogat, big three. Rebound. Gani Stevens. Baila. Almost a turnover. Gani Stevens. Can't get it. Rebound. Andito si UP. At the line. That is good for Russell Ogana.
Iba talaga yung nabibigay sa Ninyo after hitting that game-winning shot kahapon. He's very confident now from his outside shot. Ma-3 points ba yan o ma-perimeter?
2-point lead for UP. Manuel. Shot clock expiring here. Mike Diouf. Denied.
Diouf asking for a foul. Good block there for VJ Pre.
2-1-45, Coach Ball.
Exactly. Mano-imano.
One-on-one again. Here comes the screen by VJ Pre. Noy Rimogat. Gustong ipagpag. Rimogat again with a clutch shot.
What a shot there for Ray Rimogat. Clearly, he wants that ball. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Salamat pagsuporta. 2 minutes, 32 seconds left. Basketball tayo. Still a 1-2-2 zone here. Shown for Valientes or for the Fighting Maroons.
UP fight. Itong nakikita natin sa mga comments natin. But yung fans na Zamboanga Valientes, buhay pa rin po dito. 2 minutes left. Raton de Coco drives. Denied, but there's a foul on Gani Stevens.
Good sell there for Cadiz against a bigger defender, itong Gani Stevens. Yun lang, masakit yun. That is his 5th personal foul.
Yun lang. Ang sakit.
Ang maganda doon, you could never go wrong with Sean Alter, who's subbing off for Gani Stevens.
You know, different
Set of skills,
set
different.
of skills, style of play, but you know, Denver Cadiz at the line right now. Pressure cooker time. Shooter na shooter din. Itong si Denver Cadiz. Parang si John Carlos Katipay lang ng BPI Cebu branch, no?
Oo,
Happy watching, Idol.
Idol. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Denver Cadiz, no pressure at all sa kanyang muka. Pero nagmintes, but Malik Diouf. That reach, that size of Malik. Manuel fires.
That's a good shot there for Vic Manuel.
Another miss for Vic Manuel.
1-2-2. Also shown here for Valientes. Man zone sila.
Baila to the other side. BJ Pre. Miss shot. Oh, good save by Cadiz. Here comes Tolomia. 1-35. Down by 3 points. Ito Zamboanga Valientes. Baila. Tolomia to the corner. Bulanadi goes with the drive. That is a miss shot. 1-15.
Very important possession now for the Fighting Maroons, Nino. I want mano y mano against Rimogat and Cadiz. 2-man game.
Rimogat against Cadiz. Here comes the screen of Alters. Rimogat. BJ Pre hesitates. Fires for 3. Big shot for BJ Pre.
1, 2, 3.
Tatawid itong Zamboanga Valientes. Under a minute. Nagkaroon tayo ng problema sa shot clock dito. Di yun na-reset.
Biglang nag-buzzer and there was no timeout call there for Zamboanga Valientes as their coach are calling now that it should be count on our replay. Tumakbo naman yung time eh. It's just that yung shot clock hindi nag-reset.
And a technical for bench decorum para sa Zamboanga.
So that one will be a technical for Zamboanga Valientes.
And there was a technical foul for bench decorum called for Valientes. Tumakbo naman yung oras eh. It's just a matter of yung shot clock hindi nag-reset. So parang sinabi ng table, tumawag daw yung team Valientes ng timeout pero ni-reject na lang nila, nag-balls on play na.
Oo.
Pero yung shot clock, tumakbo pa rin. Kaya nga nag-buzzer, nag-zero eh. Pero yung game clock, tumakbo naman.
So ito nga. So it ended up with a free throw for UP coach because of that improper bench decorum technical for them.
Yes, exactly.
At the line, Noy Rimogat extends the lead to 7.
Zamboanga Valientes full position.
Once again, what's at stake here? The winner of this ball game will face Anbeda. 7-point lead. Cadiz to the corner. Bulanadi fires. Can't get it.
Wala pa rin eh. Bulanadi, he has open shot but it's a matter of connection, Nino. So far, Bulanadi is around 0 out of 6 from the 3-point line.
Rimogat will use the screen of Alters. Wow! Rimogat pinagpag si Cadiz. Extra feed to Alters. And that is good.
And I think that's it. That's the nail to the coffin. That's what I told you about earlier, Nino. You could never escolar ng bayan.
75-66.
75-66. Cadiz. So ito nga. That's a sportsmanship for Zamboanga Valientes. They will face municipality of Alicia X Welick
For the
for
battle,
the battle
of
of
third.
third, and it's UP against San Beda in the finals.
What a game. The game was won on that last 4 minutes of the game. Kung sino yung nakakashoot as VJ Pre, yun yung pagsabi natin kanina ninyo, no?